Well, here's my other auction find. This 20-inch Kmart box fan, basically a Lakewood P23. And honestly, it looks to be a pretty good box fan. I have not tested it yet. I'm assuming it's gonna be performing just like my hair box fan. But that one's a bit older. I read the information talking on the hair, and it was from 2004. I don't know what this one is from, but I know that it's older than the hair because this one's definitely not from the 2000s. It's definitely older. So it's got these really wide blades with the, I think it's called the wagon wheel hub. The top of it with the blue speed sticker and the handle and the blue frame around it too. I don't know if it was, I think it was supposed to be yellowed. Yeah, it's common for a lot of these vintage box fans where you see the grills, they're all yellowed. There was no feet on it, and that's basically how I usually get all the box fans from an auction. It's got the cord right here. I don't think there's any splices in it, just like the old deluxe 16-inch oscillating fan right there. That thing had a splice in the cord, but it still worked fine though. Here's the back. Oh, this thing weighs a lot. Yeah, this thing weighs a lot. Actually, it does have the feet on it. Yeah, there's the back of it. Motor. I was literally just struggling to pick this thing up. And there's unfortunately one broken slat right there. The motor actually, I'm not sure what kind of motor it is, probably Macmillan. Honestly, I don't know. But we're not here to see that. We're here to see this fan perform. I already did untie the cord before I started filming, so yeah. The cord was like tucked up under the handle, and it wasn't really a good deal. It's plugged in now. Now we can start it up on low. Oh, it works fine. It's pretty quiet. And it blows at a pretty good breeze too. Medium. Wow, that is a jump. And it's running pretty good too. And high. And off. Spin down is pretty good, you know, for being a rather I guess it's a 30-year-old box fan. I mean, the hair is only like 20 years old. That was from 2004. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.